Hello, my dear friends. I'm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to paint this beautiful leopard together. Okay, I want to teach you how to paint this beautiful leopard detail by detail and create a natural painting. Actually, I want to use copying method because I need a detailed sketch and I need all these black spots. So I'll use the copying method to get a better result. And as I told you before, I colored the back of my printed image in black and then stick it on the cardboard using paper glue so that it doesn't move. Okay. Now using a colorless pen, draw the important lines. For example, I start from its ear and also here. Actually, these lines are needed, so I draw them one by one because I think they're important for painting this leopard. Okay, now the eye. Let's draw the details inside the ear. And another eye. Okay. Well, I start from the upper part and draw these black spots one by one. In this way. Actually, the spots in this part are very small, so I don't need to copy them and I'll draw them later. Okay, now this part. And these parts, okay. this part. Draw the spots one by one and copy them on the cardboard. In this way. Actually, doing this makes painting much easier for us. Guys, always think carefully about the way you want to do it before you start painting. And choose the best method to make your work easier and better. So, always follow the design and pay attention to its details and choose the best method to get better results. So, know the steps of painting and plan for it. Okay. Now let's copy these dark parts. If the painting looks good on a white background, I will not make the background black. Okay, again, complete its ear, control the pressure of your hand, and do it very gently. And also these parts. In this way. Okay, let's check it. Well, okay, let me compare. Well, it's okay. Okay. Now let's start coloring. And as you know, I take my black colored pencil and start coloring the eyes. At the first step, I add the black spots in this way around the eye. Okay. And it should be continued to this part. Okay. In this way. The corner of the eye. Don't be afraid to create darkness and create the dark parts completely, because these dark spots create contrast in your painting. Okay, this part in this way. And this corner. Okay, a little in this part. And now let's draw the pupil. Now let's take the color number 357, green number 357, to create some green spots inside the eye around the pupil. Now green number 359. In this way, a little more in the upper part. Now the next color, green number 370. Let's sharpen the tip of the pencil. Okay. And coloring this part using the same color around the iris. Okay, the next color, number 309. In this way. Now the color number 352 for these parts, the border between dark and light area, and also here in this way. The next color again 359 to make some parts darker. Okay, I use a little of this color around the eye in this way. Now the color number 383 and coloring these parts, the upper part, and here. Well, the color number 380 and creating some dark textures inside the iris. Like this, okay. It's turned to the white color. Let's sharpen the tip of the white colored pencil. And separate these parts from the dark parts and add volume to the painting. A little in the upper part in this way. Okay, the next color number 378 for this part, and also here and here.